Hello, most real woman here, and as you can see, I got 2 new packages mailed today, and I'm going to be unboxing both of them right here on camera, so just hang on a second. Well, not actually going to show me unboxing them, but you get what I mean. I'm sure anyways. I can just open this up. So this first one we got, oh, I didn't even know that, oh no, it's not new, never mind. This is the Aqua Hunger Force : movie film for theaters for DVD, or I guess is what they say. Not sure if a lot of people have heard of this movie, but this is based off the TV series, the Adult Swim TV series. It's from Warner Brothers and is rated R and is 87 minutes. Maybe it's like South Park bigger, longer, and uncut, though I don't really expect anything big from this. I mean, these are like, well, this, I know it's meant to look like that. It's funny, kind of like the Borat DVD that I own. That's the movie. And there's the deleted movie. I guess it's like the deleted scenes or something. This is from Cartoon Network, Adult Swim, Cartoon Network, you know, that stuff. So, I really like the case. It actually was better in person than it did online. The spine and there's the back and yeah. So anyways, there's that, and I believe the movie was from 2007 if I'm correct. I mean, it even says some Adult Swim content may not be recommended for viewers younger than age 17. But yeah, I believe this is from 2007. So anyways, here's the next one. The next one's probably better, more exciting, I'd say. This one's actually new, and this is I've been wanting this movie for a while. This is Risky Business on Blu-ray. And it's kind of squished, but that's fine. I've seen part of this movie. I heard it's pretty good. Tom Cruise, 1983, rated R, 99 minutes. So let's go ahead and open this up. Thank goodness it doesn't have that annoying bar on the top that's like impossible to get off. So, here's Risky Business on Blu-ray. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay. There we have it. There's a disc, and there's nothing more, nothing less. So, yeah. So, there's well, those are my 2 new films that I have, that I own in my collection now. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and bye.